Just wanted to shoot a quick video for a few people who got like an orange symbol under here for like driver assistance. The front view has got like a little orange icon. When you use your selector switch here in the info, so your setting has to be in the I, so it's the left right commands, and then you do the scroll wheel up and down. Make sure that you selected to allow for bring it back into focus here, the driver assistance. So when the left lane marker to the left is white or to the right, it shows that the camera can't figure out the like lines where they are, the delimiters. And then there's a typical white indicator here that says basically means don't expect to get any help for lane assist, because it can't track the lines. And the horizontal lines here represent the distance between cars, and they'll usually have just to the right a symbol that picks up using the radar sensors how far, and it gives a time if it's greater than 2 seconds or whatever, based on your current speed and the car's speed ahead of you. So it's a glorified radar gun that tells you what's up. So if you have some trouble, you can use those tips to try to figure out what could be giving you an error. Now there's a camera that does like the traffic monitoring and stuff like that up here behind this plastic looking outside. So if the glass is broken or dirty, that would obstruct. There's the camera on the front of the grille that also provides help with that. The camera underneath the mirror here, and there's the camera underneath the mirror on that side, which helps determines the position of the lines. And other mirrors or cameras is the one above the windshield in the middle. That uses this technology here in the mirror, that if you go see, you can see the reflection of me. I change it, and then it's the back camera that looks behind you. So see, I'm waving my hand in front of the camera here, but it doesn't show it in the rearview mirror. So I like this best. And then there's also the camera in the proximity of the license plate that's used for your backup camera that shows up here. So one way to have a quick look if everything's good. I'm at a self-serve car wash here. You can see based on the proximity how clear things are. Like the floor around here is pretty grimy and stuff. And you can change view to look like this is the back view. It's pretty clear. It's coming from the license plate. That's the front view coming from the grille. And you can see the view here. So it's providing a lot of perspective as to where I'm turning the steering wheel here, where your trajectory would be. The front wheels as opposed to the rear wheels. Oops. Don't want people to see where I work. And then you can turn off the view to see like a bigger view, the whole camera front and back. So if you saw anything that was kind of weird or dirty, that could maybe be one of the reasons why the sensor is freaking out. The other thing that's anyways, I think that covers everything. Hopefully this is good for somebody.